Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today we are diving into how to log into your Credit One credit card so you can manage your account anytime, anywhere. So let's get started. First, open your browser, navigate to your search engine and go to creditonebank.com. On the home page, locate the login widget, usually in the top right or center. Here, now enter your username in the first field and type your password in the next field. Remember, it should be case sensitive with no spaces. If you're logging in from a personal device, you may have a checkbox to remember username for faster access next time. If you cannot remember your username or password, simply tap on forgot username or forgot password respectively. Once done, tap sign in. You will be taken to your account dashboard showing balance, due date, transactions, payments, rewards, and more. Some users report login loops on the website, but the mobile site or app works fine. If login is not working, try clearing your browser cache or reinstalling the app. And that's how you log into your Credit One account. If this guide helped, hit like, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment if you run into any login issues. I'm here to help you through it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.